Hey, say hello. Anyway guys, welcome on today's vlog. I have a special and it's a bright morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. So guys, technically on today's videos, I have a very special. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support. And also guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. So right now, I'm heading somewhere special. So I want to take upcoming YouTuber for the first time, taking her to the waterfall right now. So I was walking with my dog on my small yard here. Bruno, say hello. You good? Let me tell you guys, my dog's growing so quick and so fast. And if you don't know who I'm trying to mentor, I'm mentor one of upcoming YouTuber by the name Felicitas on a YouTube channel. And I see guys, she was doing amazing videos over there. Go and support her. I really appreciate. So right now, this is the toilet right now here. My mama tried to make some cleanness. So that being said, my mom, she was working so hard. Let's see these sandals here. Hey, mom. Good morning, mom.
I am fine.
You are fine? Yeah. Guys, it's a quiet morning over here, and my mama, she was making cleanness here and there. I'm telling you guys, look, hardworking mom. Yeah, mom, I'm telling my people, you are working so hard, hardworking mom. People loves you because of your hardworking, because of your intelligence, and you give me good advice. My son, just be like this and that, you know. So mommy, I'm just awake right now. It's a quite early morning. We thank God for the gift of life. And I'm heading to waterfall. So I'm taking there one of upcoming YouTuber, Felicitas. Yes, to see a waterfall and making videos. I want to see her succeed in this life. If Hello Baby, they can try to make it, why not Felicitas? Yeah, me, I'm trying to give people shout out, meant, but my heart keep pushing me to assist her on this journey, you know. Yani moyo ukinisukuma nisaidia mtu ananisukuma. Usiponisukuma, ukiniambia Hello Baby, just do it, I'll do it. Hello Baby, don't do it. Because mama, right now in our village, it's totally drama. When you help somebody here and there, and then go outside there with your name, turn your name to this, Hello Baby done for me this, mama, and it's not true, you know. Ni uongo. So I must be very careful, mom. Lazima ino makini kwa tunaosaidia. Hadi wale walikuja hapa juzi. Juzi means last, like previous day. I helped 2 ladies come here, need for the help, like shout out here and there. You don't know, my mama, people come in a bad intention, good intention, you know, but all in well, it's good. Let me help them, but I must be very careful, man. You know, maybe somebody come, they were being sent. You know, right now our village is drama. Okay, mama, bye.
Bye.
Tutaonana baadaye. Tutaonana baadaye. It's a Swahili word, means see you later. Yeah, guys, that's the real story, real fact. We help people here, and then tarnish your name outside there. We must be very careful because it's my heart said Hello Baby, support this, and when my heart said give her a shout out, I give. But when my heart don't say never not. If you came from nowhere, that's my beautiful toilet here. Alright, imagine guys, through your support I have a motorbike. Through your support, this month I'm gonna go and buy some blocks. Trust me guys, trust me, you know. And also I'm budget here and there. My family need to eat. At the same time I have bike right now. I can't complain anymore. And then I think last month, like we were heading we are ending this month I paid some couple of bags. Imagine, guys, me, I can't complain. I want to say may God bless you by keep supporting me to the end, and everything shall be okay. No competition, no pressure on this journey. I'm just doing my own thing at my own pace. So I have already taken my baby outside. Imagine. Papa, quanto mais música em cima? Tem mais música em cima? É que for tem eco. Ah. Mas que se vai que me fungo, after my music. Guys, you know, at night we're supposed to close the borehole. You know, we're supposed to close at night. During the day, we left to be open because everybody at home here, they can access to fetch water from here. And I don't want to be jealous, like, oh, I have water, I need to log 24 hours. No, guys. During the day like this, the borehole's supposed to be open, the padlock, and to be open like that. Anyone can access to fetch water because it's by God's grace we get water. And during at night, because nobody who fetching water tonight, we close it because our compound are not well fenced, like with perimeter or not and everything. No. So we're gonna secure our properties. Guys, look, we have a lot of water inside here and I can't complain. Papa, so keep get deki. Ki wonder. Yeah, wakideki is to mop because like right now it's dirty. Wow. East to west, home is the best. This I'm calling home. And oh man, let me show you. Oh, we have avocados fruits, man. Look. We have another one right here. Like it's planted on these trees. Look, two. wow, look. In fact, guys, I was very, very tough. No kids like peel these small avocados. I was very, very tough. So east to west, home is the best. This is what I'm calling home, guys. I'm trying to change my parents' home step by step. Hey, whoa, my dog's jumping, man. Whoa, maybe less than maybe let me say good in good way, 5 years which is coming ahead of me. When you arrive at my home, this home will be changed. Guys. Me, I just keep praying every day God to give me good health, more life. I want to support my family as I can. When it's hectic to me, I left for the rest. I have my baby here. It's a brand new. People love the color, blue color. People love the color. Oh my God. Blue and TVS 125cc. My first motorbike. People ask me, hello baby, which type of your bike that you have, because it's covered with black and everything. My first motorbike, which have been supported by Monkey, wherever you are, thank you so much, bro. May God bless you. And guys, if you are from my side, go and check Monkey, subscribe to his channel. He was doing amazing videos all the way from US. Come during the party. That's the year of 2020, I think 2023 November there. He bought for me a bike. It's a second hand, and it's helped me to maneuver around, looking for the content, helping my family here and there. And it's a Honda motorbike. And right now it shifts to this TVS blue. Hello baby to the white. No problem, guys. And also the rim was too black. Hey. And when maybe I'm driving, when I have my phone, I want to charge right here. You see, there's extension right there. Water blessed. So guys, I'm heading this way. One more at a time. In future, this house is supposed to be removed from here because whew, it's by God's grace, man. We have the cow right here. Hey. Guys, watch this video carefully. This is how I'm going to build my mom's house. It's run up this side here. Whoa. It's so big. Let's see whether I can finish. By God's grace, I want to put material when I'm starting. No non-stop. So these are the blocks which we're talking about. And I don't want to show you more. But in case somebody are new here and I'm talking the issues about blocks, I mean this one. And we have stones on the other side right there. Man, we're remaining with a few of blocks. That's 1,800. But I need to start with 2,000 blocks for the starting as I keep buying the rest. And also, we need to have sand, 2 tipper, balance stones, 1 tipper. But I have the balance stones. I bought 1 tipper. I use in my construction on the other side in the borehole. Wow, I'm remaining with a half pickup. So that's the things that I'm supposed to add. But the main key is to have cement and also to have blocks. That's the main key. But I reached there, guys. I reached there. You know, to have a kind of this motorbike is not an easy. And I'm supposed to manage my budget. $100 every month goes to this bike. And our payment was 8 monthly installments, and then we finish up. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to wear my jacket because it's cold and I'm riding far away. I'm going to take Felicitas to the waterfall. You will see, guys, and then I feel like I'll join her videos here. You see how she was doing in terms of video, guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we're keeping going. Felista, say hello.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel. Yeah, subscribe, like, share. Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
So today, where are you heading to? You don't know? So today I want to take you to the waterfall.
Okay.
So there is a time I told you we have a waterfall, but it's far away from our village. So you are going to the next interior village.
Okay.
Guys, check out Felicitas. I'll tag her link on my videos. Guys, you wanna click. And how was your channel right now?
It is good.
How many subscribers did you have right now?
I think 340.
340?
Yeah.
So I'll make sure this week you've been 400. Guys, please, if you're watching these videos from our side, take her to 500 and then 1,000, guys. Love is for free. Imagine, guys, if she could, your daughter, guys, came for the help. Support her. Subscribe, watch the videos, and she wanna appreciate, guys. I want to see her succeed on this life, alright?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're heading this way, and then to meet the tarmac on the other side. Hey, I had the motorbike coming at the back. Whoa. Oh my god, crazy. Okay guys, we're heading this way to meet our tarmac. The tarmac is not far away, just over here. Wow guys, we keep going. And I think this is the first time to sit on my motorbike, alright?
Yeah.
These are brand new. Let's go. Guys, I want to see Felista succeed, for sure. If Hello Baby tried to make it, why not Felista? Support her, guys, as much as possible, as you can. Heading straight with our baby right now. Here. Wow. These are super calm, although it's early morning here and it's freezing sometime. Heading straight. Have a shop right here. It helps the local people who are living near. That's my thought. And also guys, I'll join a short videos for Felistas on my videos, and then you watch full length. Wow. Let's go guys. This is a local school here, covered by Mabati, but the name Achiever. It helps young kids who not access to go like long distance, but to start there, and they grow. This holiday, yeah, I think our brother and sister who are Muslim, today they end Ramadan. The ending of Ramadan, they will celebrate. There's a church right there. Wow. Heading straight with my bike right now here. Speedometer, like meter box are reading, and it shows the fuel, no problem. Almost to me the stomach. Yeah. No, not that much. You know we have poor roads here. Acha Paulo. Voyore. Right here, these are dump sites. It has an enter and exit gate. Wow, guys, finally we meet the tarmac road. Boom! Woo. Tarmac road which connect East Africa. Wow, that's Matatu there. But another way we call Daladala. You know Daladala? It's Matatu. Wow. Hey, nice bicycle, man. Oh. This we call Orwende. Okay, old vehicle. That's my Roman Catholic Church on the other side. Are you a Roma or a Muslim? You're a Roma? Let's go. Make us cool. Heading straight. Amazing, man. Look at that view. It's coming from this side. There's the sun. No gas. Wow. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Wow. The truck are parking there. Those There's a new petrol station right there. We recommend. Oh, today they have bonus. Man, I haven't realized. But if you have money today, I can put gas. Man, sorry, it's a quiet morning here. So this is border town for you. Hustling is everywhere. People are hustling outside here. This is border town for you, my good people. One day when you came to Africa, especially in Kenya, I'll take you in border town. Yes. Maybe when I have an international arrival in Kenya, I'll take you. Sure here. Yani hiyo ni mbaya tena. This border town. Hey. Whoa. Crazy. It's a crazy adventure. People are outside here. This is a filler. That's a bank right there. Equity and Cooperative Bank share the same building. A man can try. Nice coaches right there. Oh man. Woo. Tall building in border town. Let's go. Over there on motorbike. Oh, I see Easy Coach, Scania, down there, heading to Nairobi. And the majority of people, they didn't wear helmets here. Right? Wow. Let's go. Guys, this is the part of border town where rich hide. You can tell. Look this side here. Whoa, super amazing. I'm shocked, man. Look even this side here. Anyway, guys, we have already arrived. So you have the waterfall. So right there, I'll take you there. Let's go. Okay. Okay guys, stay tuned. I left my bike there. I locked the steering and everything. Oh, wait me there. Okay guys, so you will see me inside the waterfall. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm taking Felicitas to the waterfall. It's quite morning here. Okay, let's go this way first. You see? Look. Be careful. Naputa Teresa. Tunaenda chini. Chini ndio kuna waterfall. You see? Nadhani utaoga haya. Uko ni mengi. What do you think? Yeah?
Haya maji yanakuja na force hizi sound.
Utakaa hapa sasa, yale ndio uwezi kaa. Sasa ni mengi. I must see. Usikuje hapa. Utakuja wangu. Down there you have the waterfall. Yes, deep. See how water is coming. Nadhani utaenda ukae pale. Sasa haiwezi kupeleka. Ujue anapita juu. So let me show you the waterfall. There is waterfall. Deep down there. So let's go. Hey. Guys, something crazy here. Look how water is flowing. Let me show you. Look. Oh my God. That is water. Oh my God. Look. Boom. From other side. Look. That is water, man. Not a joke. Oh. Tuende kwanza kwa waterfall. Uchunge sana pentunende siju wangu. Tuende hivi. Guys, I'm sure Felicitas, she thinks it's a joke. Yes. First there. Or you fear? Don't fear anything. Imagine at the time I came here alone. Yeah? What trend? Guys, we're passing here. Hapo ndo kuwekea. Excuse me, take a helmet. Eh? Okay. So guys, let me put the helmet down. Stop. This is a real waterfall. I'm going to show you. Anyway guys, welcome on today's videos. How do you see? Look.
It's amazing.
Super amazing.
Also, maji yanataka kama.
Yeah?
Maji yanataka kama.
Sasa hii ni mengi. Oh my God! Look at that! What is coming? Are you ready? Are you ready? Guys, I'm asking Felicitas, are you ready?
Yes.
To go there? Okay. I want to see your reaction going there. Look. Finally coming off, boom! Magkano sumisip? Hey! Guys, something crazy here. How am I Teresa? These stones are very slippery. You must take care of these stones. Ona huyu. Shika kwanza usikie. Yana Teresa. Be careful. Careful. Guys, I'm telling toilistas that stones are very, very careful. Yeah, like slippery. Umeona? Haina shida. Utaenda hivi upitie pale. Utapitia pale hivi. Man, this is what we have here in our village. Look.
Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your guy Felista. In case you don't leave my channel, subscribe. So guys, today I am at the river, the waterfall.
it's time to go back home, and yeah, we experienced the waterfall here and there, but for me it was not my first time to be here, guys, but for Felicitas, first time, guys. In case you're new here, guys, subscribe to my channel, also subscribe to Felicitas YouTube channel. I really appreciate. So she was struggling to pass here because climbing the hill, going down it's slow, coming back hilly. Wow, I have my helmet here, guys, I'm telling you. Yes,
You can see there the stones.
stones. Oh, on upper side. Yes, yeah, this place are very nice. And guys, I can't, like, I don't want to wear my helmet because my hair right now it's wet. Oh my god, how do you feel?
I feel so good.
You feel so good? Yeah. What can you add to my fans? The main thing to my fans. Put my helmet. Alright, guys, I'm telling Felicitas what the main thing that she can tell you, he or she, guys, from her side.
So, we love you so much. Yeah, continue supporting us. Yeah, by subscribing,
Yes.
comment, like, share,
Yes.
and others. Yeah.
Guys, I'll make sure to push Felicitas to reach 1K subscriber. When she reach 1K subscriber, guys, I'll be free, because right now, imagine all the way from my village taking her on this beautiful place, and no one who have idea. Like, if you are making these videos, maybe somebody else watching from your village, they can copy. Oh, Felicitas, where did you make your videos?
Yeah.
On the waterfall. And then you just tell them it's very far from our village.
Actually, it's far.
Yes.
Like 3 hours from our village.
Yes, 3 hours driving up to here, because guys, we wake up very early in the morning, and right now the time is going. Since we came here, no sunny. Right now there is sunny.
Yeah.
Even you can bask here, doing everything. Well, guys, it's time to go back, and I'm going to wash my baby right now. It's been a while, so I don't want my baby to be dirty. And it was your first impression to sit on my new bike.
Yeah.
Yes. Wow. See how I was working so hard to have my motorbike.
Yeah.
Also, you wanna work so hard, you can have a car.
Yes.
Yes.
My dream car is
Wow.
V8.
Yeah, we'll get it. Okay, guys, it's time to go back home, and I'll join her videos when he make 5 minutes. I'll join her videos inside here. You can able to watch what she was doing, and subscribe to her channel, guys. Please take her to 1,000 subscriber. I appreciate. And after these videos, guys, combining her videos, I'm going to the Junior's construction. I want to see what's going on. It's been a while, and I have no clue. Maybe they have already finished, maybe putting some steel band, everything. I will go there and see, guys. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, we are heading home right now. This is a super car. Let's go. After a power bank and cable. I'm going to charge my power bank. So right now, let me go and see, guys. I found my brother digging, and we start new kitchen garden. So we need to plant. We're gonna plant kales. Maso kia hanoiga, utukio motaro. Han. Wow. So nurakore kama nursery. Haraisi. Kana ni sukuma kidogo tu. Mikoha. Mboya. So we want to do some small kitchen garden. We plant onions, plant kales, you know. Hey, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah.
If you don't know, guys, that's my brother. He was our last born. I think this place is enough. Rochaju. I remember carrying. I can't go to stress. Small kitchen garden. Yeah. In fact, our land is fertile, guys. And wow. Let's see. Wow. No, I had me go house. Okay, harare. Jokoro usibekera gento. Okoro safe. So guys, I'm telling him, when he doing like that, he left like 2 to 3 days. Let me say 2 to 3, up to 4 days. This nutrient retain on the ground, and then we start planting kales. Then I send that to Sivisi 70 Timikido. Wow, we need to have a small kitchen garden, because most of the people tell me, hello baby, plant kales, plant veggies, including this one. These are pumpkin leaves, very nice. We also have this one here. This also is a veggies, very nice. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. Right now I'm heading to Nyabohanse, taking my bike to be washed, and then going to Nyabohanse, guys. Like no, going to the Venus construction. Wow. Okay, guys, I'm heading to Motorbike right now here. That's my brother over here. Super calm today, guys. Wow. And Roman Catholic Church on the other side. I'm telling you. I'm good at that. Most of activity coming. Wow, nice house. Whoa. That is a tank right there. Let's go, guys, and see how our days go. Super calm, super chilling. They are packing, like offloading maize another way. Okay, this situation, guys. So this shed here, that's what it said is story. Sasa hii ndio utakuneka mafuta sawa sawa. Wow. Afu ya 51 upige mashiringi kama unaye. Okay, this share here, V-Power. Si ndio ilikuwa yako. Sana. Sana made. Aya mara asante. Asante means thank you. need to have exchange, like change, and then we're heading to the car. Wow. So guys, some Scania's road have been parked here, waiting for the goods. Wow. Oh my God. And right there, that's the mailstone. Although today it's on Monday, at the same time it's a holiday for our brother and sister who are Muslim. I think today is a day for them to come. Yay! Border town. That's my house right there, going to Migori. I'm washing my bike on the other side right there. Hey, how? Kwa hiyo mambulo yanakuwaga hapo. Check guys, I think on this side here. We're looking right left center. Right here. Let's wash my bike. Okay. Wow. Let's see. Wow. I want to wash my bike right now. This is not gun. Say come on. Inje. Hii hapa ni safi. Anajua kuiosha. Kwenye engine hapo usisigwe na brush. Haya, piga maji. Usikunyime riziki. Lakini enda naoshaga. Wow. Okay guys, stay tuned. Anyway guys, welcome to the Junior's construction right here, and I want to see what is going on, man. I see electricity cable, maybe burning of the PVC of the plumbing going on through here. We have the lorry, man. We have the tank here. Means soon concrete it wanna start. See guys, Ndovu tank means elephant tank, a product of Jumbo Steel Mills Limited. Hashtag Capes. Wow. We're heading this way, and we wanna see plumbing is going on. Uwe. Vipi? Mambo vipi? Mambo shwari. Tuko yani hapa kazi. Nakuja hapo. Huge mega project, man. Guys, thank you so much by keep supporting David Jr. because through your support he managed to build this house here in our village. Let's see, guys. Welcome. Vipi bana? This is my struggle. But I'm a village boy. Oh. Sami? Aitombia. Sami? Vipi? Wow. Kwani hizi trapas wamejenga hapa tayari? Hizo bathroom right now here. Unajua kusema hizi? Tata vipi?
Hapo.
I see you are struggling.
Yes, man. Welcome.
Yes, how was everything here?
Everything is going smoothly.
Yes.
Moving on is work.
Hapa kazi tu. Means
no jokes.
Yes, no jokes.
No
Here's
surrender.
work. Men at work.
Yeah, men at work.
Aini ni ya maji?
Hii ndio supply maji kwa hii jengo. This is the main supplier of water.
Okay. It's good to done plumbing and everything.
Yes.
And I learned. You're the same person you did to my toilet. Also to my mom's dream house. Soon I'll invite you.
That's very good. To get money, no problem.
Okay, guys. Yeah, I gave him a job because he was a good plumber. He done a nice job. No hurry. Look.
When?
Going up other side. Look, guys.
When?
You can't imagine.
Menda. Ini float trap ya kwa tamanti karagimbura. Hapo ni baranda. Kuna ile mbwiki kuja na mkama. Maji mengine na maweka usana hivi.
Si kuna balcony hapo?
Kuna balcony.
Wewe vipi?
Kuna balcony hapo.
Guys, there's some issues going on here. Kuna balcony hapo cha. Kana wewe huoni? Kuna balcony ngapi kwa hii nyumba? 3. 1, 2, 3.
Kwa mapu. Inaleta hapa.
There's a balcony here. Oh, guys. Hapa hakuna. Labda engineer alijoin. Engineer si ndo mumuulize. Uliza engineer. Sasa unajua kitu nyoreke balcony hapa. Maduka hapa chini wasinyeshewe.
Ya chini ni sawa lakini
juu. Hii. Hizo sasa inazoea maduka hapa mtu asinyeshewe hapo chini. Maybe waliform wenyewe. Na lazima uweke taa sana. Hakuna ukora. Guys, that's how Nyabohansi looks like in daytime. People are eating on the other side. Look. Welding on the other side. I left my baby on the other side. Man, this is Nyabohansi village to the world. Okay. Tata bera uturi bifabe ko samba. Uturi bifabe ko samba. Hakuna kugao. No guys. Akia Mungu hano. Chacha amekura hizi hela. Anapona kana sasa kihakuya.
Bado atarahika mwisho.
Ya mura.
Hapa tu. Sawa, twende basi.
Let's try to pull this green pipe for the water.
Acha kwanza.
Right here is the green pipe.
Nani? Diambil angkor.
Sabi.
Tapi kau saw.
Kage mura.
Mana nani?
Angache. Mura. Mura sami mura. Nyumba ina stima. Naga kiobono kiwi tu naka pipe aga kekai.
Anu hiki iheti siku igor. Kano you?
Also, the guy for the electricity is struggling pushing the pipe.
Pati hivi kadonge.
Donge. Kia Mungu. Guys, look this technology that have been applied here. Look. Woo. Hey. And then the other side means this. It's for the. It's coming from this way, going that way, and then just the connector coming this way, and the main pipe. Boop.
Man, hapa job.
Hapa job.
Hapa job dia.
Hey.
Man at work.
Man at work. Aya, wepiga kazi. Yes. Sami. Kumbe tu sami ngo sambore hakiri ko kasi yao. Yeah, it's good to done electrification first, plumbing. Hey. There's nothing to say. I'm speechless. Engineer, uko poa? Hey. Yeah, you must walk careful because of silver. Dani. Tata. Tagama nir muskaki. Muskaki osara har. Hey. Hey, taongore benede. Kana mi abe. Oh guys, on the other side here we have Kibandask or a local hotel for the cheaper price of the food, you know. If somebody can't afford maybe to go to the big restaurant, they can maybe hide inside here. Hey. Sure guys. Anyway guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And after these videos, I'm joining for the videos taking my baby to the car wash, guys. So guys, stay tuned. Oh guys, I'm back home after from the car wash. I have already arrived home with my baby right here, guys. Hey, it's a brand new. I'm telling you, when something is new, it's to be washed every time, anytime. And for the first service, guys, I'm supposed to change the oil because the instruction that I read from this motorbike for the first service, we drive 700 kilometers, and then we change the oil, the first service, and then the next I'll start exchanging after a month, you know. But for now it's 601, so we're remaining with 99 kilometers. That's a few kilometers to change this oil for this bike. Man, let's see. And the oil goes to $6, you know. So they're supposed to open down also to remove the old oil, and then we put here for the new one. It's a magic, man. Wow. But for me, I'm so grateful right now, guys. I have the bike or my baby. I know most of the people love blue car. And also for the haters, don't like. That's all my struggle, guys. I'm trying to challenge the haters. That's all my struggle. Putting my videos every day, people supporting me, watching my videos daily, and man, a lot of things have been calm. You know, I want to stay calm. Hey, I see there are being more people. Jamani, ulifagia leo hapa? Ulideki? Ukadeki kabisa? Uko sure? Njoo hapa. So guys, I told my sister when it's a weekend, you wanna mop. Nani alikuwa anaweka sabuni hapa? Nani aliweka sabuni hapa? Mama. Sasa unaona vile nimefanya sehemu, mwambie sana anaweka sabuni. Kuja hapa. Uje sema hello. Your little princess, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Yes. Mbona leo mjaenda shule?
Ni holiday ya Waislamu.
Holiday ya Islam means today it's a holiday for the Muslim, and for our brother and sister who are Muslim. So right now it's to end Ramadan. You know, they were being undergoing in Ramadan almost close to 1 month. That's 30 days. So right now it's a final attaches for our brother and sister who are watching these videos. In case you are a Muslim, all the best, all the best, all the best, all the best. Wow. So you see guys, you have water, super clean, you can't tell, look, and it's cold, man. So when it gets more clean enough rather than this, I'm going to buy water guards. I put inside the borehole. When you fetch water, we can cook, we can drink. And me, I do for drinking water direct from the borehole when it's well boiled and treated, because it contains a lot of calcium, guys. Oh, we have birds here. Yeah, calcium, making our teeth to be strong, and also bones. Wow, we have birds here. Hey. I left my brother digging, like preparing our small kitchen garden. We wanna work on that. Wow, we have a lot of things to do. When I'm saying kitchen garden, right, there are small kitchen garden, because I see on the comment section people ask me, hello baby, why don't you construct, like, to have a small kitchen garden? For those people who are asking me, you have a good advice. And right now I came from the waterfall. I found my brother digging right there, and my work is to look looking for the suckers and also some small veggies. You know, initially back here, when you see these streets from the toilet to other side where the borehole is, I was planting kales. Before I knew what is YouTube, I was planting here kales, onions, all veggies. But when I went to school in my primary, and then I was planting almost close to 7 years. It served my mom getting cash here and there, but things change. So right now I'm supposed to cut these trees here, all of them down, and then planting another one which are good, like planting flowers. These are our small, like our small garden. And in the future my house will be on other side, you know, like starting where I park my motorbike, coming this way and going to other side. So to have our compound, our toilet here, you know, man, me, I don't want to go far away from my mom, because when I'm go far away from my mom, I feel so bad, you know. At least I have my own space, and by the time being, when God allowed things to be changed quick and fast, I'll build my brother's house and give each and everyone some house. You stay here, you stay here. The best way you can live in one family. Anyway guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I want to end my video here by saying, may God bless you. I'm so grateful. We shall meet on the next video, guys. Bye bye.